Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. As I'm trying to add more fish in our diet and a lover of seafood, I'm constantly on the lookout for new recipes. The idea for this recipe came from a recipe for Sri Lankan sharkfish scramble or put that I came across recently. So I am sharing scrambled fish recipe today, which is designed to satisfy our taste buds. So first in a heavy bottom pan, heat some oil, then crush some whole red button chilies and add some mustard seeds and start cooking for like a minute or two until mustard seeds started to crackle. Then add some chopped onions and then cook until they started getting a little softer. Then add some seasoning, turmeric powder, red chili powder and coriander powder. Mix and then add some salt. Make sure you don't add a lot of salt because fish have that extra salty flavor anyways. Then add some sliced green chilies and start cooking until onions get that light goldenish color. And then it's time to add our fish. So I'm using cans of tuna today. You can use tilapia or any other fish as well. So just add the drained can of tuna fish in this onion and all the gravy masala mixture, and mix until fish is covered with all the masala and cook for another 10 minutes on a medium high flame, stirring often to prevent any burning. The fish has already been pre-cooked, so this step is only to impart a crispy scrambled texture to the fish, and it should not take more than 10 to 12 minutes. And then if you want, you can add some water or some shredded coconut. I just added a handful of chopped cilantro and some garam masala. Then cook for a couple more minutes and then turn off the heat. Your fish scramble is ready to serve. Serve it with some steamed rice or a homemade chapati roti. So here I have a scrambled fish recipe which has been deliciously flavored by mustard with a hint of chili. This dish can be made with any other white fish like tilapia that can be flayed easily. It's so simple and only takes trying once to find out how true that is. The fishy flavors are beautifully camouflaged in this recipe, but it is the fish after all that's lending the dish its superb taste. And if you're trying this at home, please don't forget to take a picture and send it to me. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.